Hello, good day. I am Charlene Mimayo, 20 years of age, and I am from Iloilo, Philippines. I am applying for housekeeping or any available position because I can guarantee you good company that I am flexible enough and I can easily adapt in any working environment. My desired date is as soon as possible. I am interested in this internship program because I believe and I assured that this program will serve as a great help for me to improve my skills and knowledge about the profession I chose. And also, this will be the chance for me to enhance my self-confidence in order for me to be ready in any job opportunities in the future. To tell you about myself, I am currently studying in John V. Lacson Foundation Maritime University, taking up Bachelor of Science in Cruise Ship Management. I can assure your company that I am good, hardworking, loyal, and trustworthy. I also have the ability to understand and follow instructions from superiors earnestly. I have experiences about dealing with customers like having my training in F&B services in a restaurant and having my internship and hands-on training in a passenger vessel. I can guarantee your good company that I have such capabilities that could help not just your company but also for the betterment of myself. I truly appreciate this opportunity to introduce myself and to apply for the training program with your company. Thank you for your time and consideration.